Genesis Budget is a privacy-first money workspace. Budgets, spending, goals, debt payoff, savings, and investments, all in one place. In this video, you will create your account and build your very first budget. The whole thing takes about 2 minutes. From the home page, click Start Trial. Enter your name, your email address, and a password. That is it. Every new account starts with a full access 30-day trial. No credit card required, and your data is never sold. After you sign in, you land on your dashboard. Everything in Genesis Budget flows from a budget, so your first stop is the new Budget button, right there in the Quick Actions bar. The 6-step wizard walks you through the basics. Name your budget, pick the month it covers, then add your income, how often you are paid, and how much. Keep going through the steps to add your bills, debts, and savings goals. You can always change things later. And you are done. Your new budget lives under Money and Budgets. Open it any time to see your income, your bills, and exactly how much is left to spend. From here, every purchase you log lands in the right budget, and your dashboard always tells you where you stand. Ready to take control? Sign up free at genesisbudget.com.